Hey guys, I wanted to come here and show you guys my new apartment. This is the first week and a half of my new apartment, kind of just be setting it up. But I hope you guys like it. I am going to be popping in here and there to just like talk about some few things that I really like or things that I just want to make commentary on. So tell me if you guys like this kind of format. But yeah, let's just go straight into the apartment.
Wait, please slow down. Hey, do you miss me now?
One of the first things that I was most excited to set up was the projector. I actually just got a Chromecast a couple days before I moved, so I was super excited to get it connected and just be able to play my Spotify music and also just like some really vibey YouTube playlists. That's like what I've been obsessed with these days. But yeah.
Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way?
Probably the most satisfying thing to put away was my makeup. I even did a huge makeup purge before I moved, but I still have so much.
I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Stay and kiss me now. Make it last.
I really wanted to drill walls in this apartment just because I've never really drilled any of my previous apartments just because I was kind of scared, but this time I was gonna do it. So the first task was to put up the Dyson, and goodness was it so nerve-wracking. But you know, once you just drill once, you just keep on drilling.
Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way? Halfway. On certain days, it's hard to say. I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just
Oh my god. Do you see what I mean about the projector? Like, tell me that's like not a vibe.
Touch and roll, barely touch my phone.
The kitchen was definitely the most tedious part of putting things away, only because this was the first time I've had this much cabinet space, so I was kind of lost on what I should do.
Camera like me, yeah. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? I make you feel like how you looking. What's that? Good, a natural woman. You know the amount of work that I put in. You know how I'm still trying to get my foot in the door while I'm trying to keep your soul nourished. Yes, it is love, but my goal's still important. Way more than clothes and cars, that's important. No more clearance or I can't afford it. What's poor in my life? You deserve what you want for tomorrow and today, girl. I'm coming home late, girl. When I get back off tour, then it's a date, girl. Got you reeled in, you my bae, take the bait, girl. High heels, fashion over dress, gon' slay, girl. You got good taste, girl. Lobster and steak, girl. Backside cake, girl. Should've been a baker. Too much is never enough, so what you say, girl?
One night we decided to pause and we decided to go up to the rooftop and watch the 4th of July fireworks. And wow, it's just kind of funny to see how everyone looks at the fireworks as if they've never seen fireworks in their life. But we all know that we've all seen fireworks, but we all like, ooh, ah.
그러진 밤 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보며 또 하루를 보내 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까 But I feel so lazy Yeah, I'm home alone all day And I got no more songs left to play Baby 난 널 그리네 다시 돌아와줘 내게 And let me be your man 생각 없이 난 너에게 전화했어 묻고 싶은 게 많아 I got so many questions 오랜만이야 라는 말도 못한 채 Are you fine?
The bedroom is probably the most reminiscent of the previous apartment just because I had the credenza and I set up a lot of my decor similarly to last time, but I really love it and it just feels really warm and nice, also probably because of the sunlight.
I know this sounds crazy but everything's been lately How's your 동생 doing and your daddy and mommy I'm not drunk or anything I call in peace 세상이 멸망하면 날 용서해주겠니 그리고 아냐 뭐했던 놈이 그래 친구들은 먼저 전화하면 지는 거래 이건 이별 노래 아니 우리 미래를 결정하기 차 타고 떠나는 추억 여행 그렇지 방 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보며 또 하루를 보내 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까 But I feel so lazy Yeah I'm home alone all day And I got no more songs left to play Baby 난 널 그리네 다시 돌아와줘 내게 And let me be your man oh
Hello, I'll introduce myself. The name BC Hill, name is Hot Ladies Milk. Got a whole lot of lines that get stuck in my mind, but I ain't frontin' none at all. Let's get back and rewind. My model slow way smile, ever since I could write. My bars show my style, better watch on the mic. And yeah, go full throttle if the melody's tight. Cause when I step and say a line, sure it's something you like. Yo, 1, 2, 3 to the 4. My heart stay falling when I'm walking through your door. No conversation about the waiting from last week. We both leave sweating like athletes. So you wanna roll with me and that's good. If you wanna start approaching me with that look, first glance, first dance had a man hooked. About to sober in the morning, how a man could. Hey, hey.
Americano.
I feel your rhythm inside of me. What I like to see, hands on your body. You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never knew, made me feel brand new.
Took me a while to find her, but now I have to go catch her. Go through any natural disaster, if that means I can get to you faster. Rhythm flows through my body, trying to find me a shawty. That bitch that likes to get naughty, so hot, call me Fuego Almighty. Lil Fuego as heat as can be, my heart's on lock, yeah, you got the key. Don't look at me for gossip, I ain't spilling no tea. I'm just studying your body like I got a degree, yeah. Look baby, I'm just spitting the facts.
I really wanted to get something to cover up the office space. I just feel like it was a little bit of an eyesore, so I had been eyeing this bamboo partition for a while. And to be really honest, when we first took it out, I was not really into it at all. I just felt like it was really big and it just took up a lot of like visual space, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised how much it's grown on me.
But I need you in my life cause you the one who gon' save me.
I feel your rhythm inside of me. What I like to see, hands on your body. You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never.
My parents really pushed me to put the projector above the sofa, and after thinking about it a lot, I finally decided to cave and I got a shelf to put the projector and the speakers on, and let me tell you, it was a process.
But you know that I will see it through, cause I feel your heat tonight, night. I feel your rhythm inside,
but now I have to go.
But I like
go
to
through any natural
hands on your
disaster.
make me feel brand new.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
Play with toys and make all type of crazy noise. I'm only here to help you all escape from this crazy world. My head been fucked up as of late. A lot of shit done happened. Thankful that I'm here and not dead. I should just stick to rapping. Say that she don't like giving head. I think the chick was capping. Running till I can't feel my legs. You still behind me laughing. I don't know what just happened. Guessing you was just acting up, or shit you was just lacking. Keep your head high, your eyes.
Well, I hope you guys like the new apartment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!